What's up YouTube? This is one of my first speed edit videos that I'm actually narrating in an effort to breathe some life back into my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm editing an image of a 3rd gen 4Runner owned by one of my Instagram followers. Unfortunately, he rolled it on a trail and the insurance company totaled it. His Instagram name is Ice Runner and he's a huge Star Wars fan, so I felt it was only appropriate that it be immortalized cruising the planet Hoth. So if you guys like this content, please subscribe and like this video. I'll be trying to post something weekly from speed edits to quick tips and tricks, so stay tuned. Alright, that's it for me. I hope you enjoy this Photoshop speed edit.